Lincoln Navigator, Continental, and MK series key fobs from approximately 2011 to 2020 commonly use a CR2450 3-volt lithium coin battery. This is a non-rechargeable battery. Key signs of a low battery include unresponsive locks or needing to press buttons multiple times. To confirm you have a CR2450, check your fob's manual or the old battery itself. Alternatives like CR2032 won't fit. You can purchase a CR2450 online or at auto parts stores for around $2 to $5. Note the fob design, a plastic or metal case with internal contacts. The positive plus side of the battery should face up toward the circuit board. Incorrect polarity can damage the fob. First, prepare your workspace. Avoid static electricity by working in a dry environment. The process involves opening the fob, usually a flip-open case or sliding mechanism. Use a small plastic pry tool to gently open the fob case, preventing damage. Remove the old CR2450 battery. Insert the new CR2450 battery, ensuring the positive plus side faces up. Reassemble the fob case. Test the fob by locking and unlocking your Lincoln. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery polarity and ensure the battery is making good contact. If issues persist, consult your vehicle's manual or a professional.